Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to make a Sri Lankan snack called Vada. So for that we need wheat flour, 6 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of urad dal. So I have taken the black urad dal and I have soaked it for 4 to 5 hours. And we need chili flakes, salt, cumin seed and some chopped curry leaves. So we are going to mix all together to a soft dough. So I will be back after mixing. So now the dough is mixed. See how soft it is. It is not sticking. So I have taken a rolling tray and a rolling pin and a bowl to cut a circle shape. And I need some flour. So I am powdering the rolling tray with the powder. So I have taken this size of the flour dough and I am going to dip it in the flour to make it not sticky. And I am going to roll it into a thin shape. So the thickness should be that. Now using the bowl I am going to cut the shapes. So first I will dip the bowl into the flour. I am going to cut that into shapes. So all the circles are this thickness. So I have laid a paper and powdered some flour and placed all the circles on that. So the Vada, it's called Vada. So I'm going to deep fry it in the oil. So the oil should be hot. So I'm going to put one by one and fry it both sides. You should fry one by one, don't overlap it, it won't be cooked inside. So the flame is in medium. It only takes few minutes. So the Vada is ready. It is so crispy. So I will be placing another to fry. See, it's so crispy. So I hope you like the video. If you like, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe and try this at home. Bye dreamers.